Today is May 11th, 2026, and this is AI Latest in 5 minutes. The biggest story today is OpenAI moving deeper into enterprise deployment, not only model releases. We also have new real-time voice models, Google DeepMind showing how AlphaEvolve is being used in science and infrastructure, new details on running coding agents safely, and one reported Anthropic cloud deal that shows how expensive the AI race has become. OpenAI announced the OpenAI Deployment Company today. The idea is to help organizations build and deploy AI systems inside important daily work, using forward-deployed engineers who work closely with business teams. OpenAI also says it has agreed to acquire Tomoro, an applied AI consulting and engineering firm. That would bring about 150 forward-deployed engineers and deployment specialists into the new company from day one, if the deal closes. This matters because the AI race is shifting from who has the smartest model to who can make AI useful inside real companies. OpenAI says more than 1 million businesses have adopted its products and APIs, but adoption is not the same as deep workflow change. The signal is clear. Enterprise AI will increasingly be about data, controls, user training, and measurable business results. The second major update is voice. On May 7th, OpenAI introduced 3 audio models in the API: GPT-Realtime-2, GPT-Realtime-Translate, and GPT-Realtime-Whisper. GPT-Realtime-2 is built for live voice agents that can reason, use tools, handle interruptions, and keep a conversation moving. The translation model supports more than 70 input languages and 13 output languages, while Realtime-Whisper is aimed at live speech to text. Google DeepMind also shared a fresh AlphaEvolve update on May 7th. AlphaEvolve is a Gemini-powered coding agent for discovering and improving algorithms. DeepMind says it has been used in genomics, power grid optimization, Google infrastructure, next-generation TPU design, logistics, semiconductor simulations, and drug discovery workflows. The important point is not one demo. It is that AI agents are starting to optimize the hidden algorithms behind science, infrastructure, and business systems. On May 8th, OpenAI published a security post about running Codex safely inside real workflows. The key controls are sandboxing, approvals, network policies, identity controls, managed configuration, rules for risky commands, and agent-native logs. This matters because coding agents can now review repositories, run commands, and interact with development tools. As agents become more capable, visibility and boundaries become just as important as raw intelligence. Another security update. OpenAI says GPT 5.5 Cyber is rolling out in limited preview for defenders responsible for critical infrastructure. The key idea is trusted access. Verified defenders can get more useful help for authorized security work, while safeguards still block malicious activity. For most teams, OpenAI says GPT 5.5 with trusted access for cyber remains the recommended starting point. One quick hit. Reuters reported, citing the information, that Anthropic has committed to spend $200 billion with Google Cloud over 5 years. Reuters also noted it could not immediately verify the report, and Anthropic declined to comment. So treat this as reported, not company confirmed. Still, the direction is important. Frontier AI is becoming a compute and infrastructure race as much as a model race. Here is the simple takeaway. Today's AI news is less about one chatbot feature and more about infrastructure. Companies want AI inside workflows. Developers want real-time voice interfaces. Researchers want agents that improve algorithms. Security teams want boundaries, logs, and trusted access. For students and beginners, the lesson is clear: learn AI tools, but also learn deployment, data, security, and workflows. That is where the next stage of AI is going. See you in tomorrow's AI Latest in 5 minutes.